Today I'm prepping this damaged and dated sideboard for paint. I first start by wiping down the entire piece with water and vinegar. I then use my orbital sander with 80 grit and then 120 grit sandpaper to sand down the top, and I'm going to have to make a repair on a water damaged spot. I use wood filler and a putty knife to fill in the area, and then I sand this down with my orbital sander just to make it smooth. I use my orbital sander for the remainder of the piece, doing whatever I can. And then the remaining edges, I sand by hand, all with 120 grit sandpaper. I then use my blower and blow off all the dust. And then I wipe down the entire piece again. There's a hinge on the door of this piece that cannot be removed because the screws will strip, so I just tape this off with painter's tape, use my X-Acto knife to cut it straight, and then the piece is ready for paint. I roll it into my Wegner spray tent and I'm ready to prime.